Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Out prospecting again. We've got our first showing here we're taking a look at. So you have some sulfide mineralization in there. This is your host rock. What we're also finding is small little patches of very oxidized quartz with mineralization, and what it looks like is sphalerite, galena, and chalcopyrite. So we're pulling a couple samples off and we'll take a look at those. Oh wow, those are nice. Woo. Those are amazing samples. Those were from up top?
They sure were.
Well, let's hope the whole deposit's like this. So you have galena, sphalerite, chalcopyrite, just minor amounts of galena amongst your sphalerite here, and then your chalcopyrite is your mineral right there. Looks like you have some crystallization of the quartz in there. These are extremely nice samples, so that is an awesome find for first thing in the morning. Couple more samples here. Just a grab sample from up above. Again, you see chalcopyrite mineralization, and you actually have some copper staining there. Pretty cool. More mineralization there. This is your host rock. Looks like disseminated mineral throughout that. 3 sets of samples here. Host rock, chip off a vein, or what looks like a vein. There's quartz up on top, and then again here you have more quartz, but this has some carbonation in it. And that was taken from that little white area right in there, along there. So, while we're getting a sample from here, we found 3 samples which are grab samples along this road. The interesting thing is they're all different rock types, all different mineralization. There we go. Looks like we got pyrite mineralization. Rock is a bit chloritized, slightly schistose. So we got 4 samples. These 3 are grab samples here, and you can see again slightly chloritized, but you have a copper sulfide and iron pyrite with quartz carbonate. So decently mineralized samples for sure. And then here you have a feldspar with quartz and iron pyrite. And then here you have a slightly porphyritic rock, and you got some magnetite in there with copper staining and minor amounts of chalcopyrite. So all these are pretty nice looking. So we're trying to get some last minute exploration work in before the snow really hits. What we're going to do is we're going to be doing a lot of sample removing today, taking a look at a lot of samples. Loads of mineralized samples everywhere. More beautiful samples. Those are actually really nice. I don't know what kind of rock this is. Let's see. Not much rock left. Definitely altered. Awesome. So that's from right here. Again, more exposed rock which has mineralization. Small little patches all over the place. Alright, so we got a gossinous zone here. You can see the nice big rocks in the oxidized material. We had similar promising results on a different part of this tenure when we crushed some of this material and panned it out. We got sulfides and free mill gold. The free mill gold was found in your matrix. Sulfides was found in the matrix, as well as your rocks. So it looks like brecciated rock, gossinous, got some porphyry in there. Nice big hunk here. We're going to take a sample. So lots of road grab samples like this, where you have little bits of pyrite disseminated throughout the rock. And here you have little bits of copper staining, which is coming from very, very, very finely disseminated chalcopyrite. Here's a nice sample. Some more samples here, disseminated chalcopyrite. This one's got chalcopyrite and pyrite disseminated. You can see the cubed. Pyrite. And more chalcopyrite and pyrite. So you can see this old logging road here. They're going to be redoing this, logging this area up here. This road is about 60, 70 years old. And we're done prospecting for today. So we're going to head back down looks like we weren't the only people here. Found this nice bullet here. So hopefully some new areas will be exposed when they build this logging road. And that's all the time we have for today, guys, for sampling.